To my lovely people, TBC community, the whole world, once again, your brother, your friend, Rich Senyo. Once again, I want to do this broadcast concerning TBC, how TBC is moving, how TBC is developing, how good is TBC. My greetings wants to Chris Kringle, the creator of this TBC, and then the whole entire TBC administrative. First thing I want all of us to know is I can see that there is a changing in the Kringle back office. This change is a positive change, not a change, not a negative change. I see a development at the Kringle back office. And also, I can see that TBC is moving forward. I want to tell everybody, you who is listening to me and also looking at me now, hearing my voice. First of all, I want to ask you, do you have TBC? And what is TBC? TBC is a cryptocurrency. Anytime or every time, if I want to do my broadcast, I have to tell you a little about TBC. Because maybe you who is hearing me now, maybe you didn't hear anything about TBC. Now before you are going to hear about it. Maybe somebody also is there, heard something about TBC already. So you who is there didn't hear anything about TBC, you will be asking, what is TBC, what is TBC? So anytime I want to do my broadcast, I used to tell a little about TBC before continue whatever I have. So the little knowledge I had about TBC, I always share it or bring it out. TBC is a cryptocurrency and also is abundant based cryptocurrency, and its value is valued in gold. When we talk of something is or this cryptocurrency is abundant based cryptocurrency, simple mean something which will live forever and ever. It will not go back. That is why we call it abundant based cryptocurrency. I want to ask you, do you have TBC? The billion coin, do you have it? If you know you don't have TBC, I'm advising you now to go for it, because I can see the great changes. Now new development has come to the back office. Those who didn't know that there is a new changes, I want you to know that when you go, I'll tell you a little change. I'll tell you a little. If you now want to check your reward, or you want to fill your form, sender request form or receiver request form, you just go straightly to rewards. If you go to rewards, you see that they will come, it will open, and you see them under. If you open the reward, you see that cookies reward has come, transaction verification has come, and then you click on transaction verification again. If you want to log out, you go to account. You click on account. When you click on your account, you see that it will open. You see log out down there. You see a different thing will open. If you you just click on account, you see that many things will open there. So formally, if you want to sign out on your back office, you will see your username at the top right there, and you click on, when you click on the top right on your username, you see that sign out will come under, will appear under. But now it's not like that. It has come to the account. When you come to the account, you just click on account, you will see the logging out there. And I can see the many changes at the back office there, which shows that TBC is moving forward. And what shows that the name that has been given to the TBC, that abundance-based cryptocurrency, which will never end, will live forever, shows me that it is true, because how things are always developing, going on, changing, not changing in the negative way, changing in positive way. And I can tell you that the Christmas bonus that ADMI is giving out is still going on, because they promise that any transaction you make, you just fill the form, they'll approve it for you, because they want you to have some of the TBC in your wallet. You don't have money to buy, you can't buy it now, because where the price is now, you can't buy it. So I want to remind you that there is a bonus going on, Christmas bonus going on from now till 31st January. So I want you to try. If you know that you don't have TBC and you are not even joined the community, I want you to join the community now, because it will come to a time you will be looking for TBC all around. Maybe you can get it, but you will not get it as it is now. My friend, my brother, my sister, I want to assure you, you will not get it as it is now. And ADMI, they see that the amount that the TBC, the price that TBC have now, maybe some of us, they cannot buy. That is why they create this column, this bonus column, Christmas bonus column, so that you can also buy a little and get more. You buy a little and get more. Buy $100 and get more. Buy $1,000 and get more, times 10. If you buy $1,000 now, and they are able to fill the form for you, you are able to fill the form, and they approve it for you, you are getting 10 coin, 10 TBC coin. So if you buy $100, you are getting 1 coin. Nothing good like this. ADMI, they like human being. If they don't like human being, they will not create this success for us. Now I can see that TBC is a refuge for those who are poor, and the whole mankind and the whole world. So I want you to go it for now. Get your TBC before it is too late. I can assure you that how things were beginning, they are no more like that. They are upgrading. Everything is upgrading. Because from the beginning, we were told by the ADMI that the price will be rising up, and it is true that it is rising up. Some of us, we are very anxious for using our TBCs. My friend, don't be anxious. You keep your TBC coin. Don't be using it anyhow you like, because it will come to a point, it will come to a time you will regret it. You just wait. But if you get something to buy it now with TBC, you can buy it, but don't be selling it on discount, because discount, if you sell discount later, you will be cry, you will cry, you will regret. Because TBC now, I can see those people who are having money, which I know, they are also going in for TBC now. TBC have created to make those who are in poor, to make them rich, to make people out of poverty. So you are there, and somebody who is already have a money, or somebody who get money, will still come and take your position, take your place. No, you don't keep waiting there. I want you to come and join the TBC community, and let us move together. Now there is a places they are accepting TBC. There is a stores. Yes, there is a stores, and then people are working for. If some people are working, when they work for you, they will take TBC. So TBC is now circulating. You who is the new member now, you new member too. The amount of TBC which you can get, you can also sell some. You can sell some. Not there is no time. No time limit that maybe it will come to this point before you new member too you can sell. No, as a new member, if you get one coin. If you get somebody, you can sell small to that person too, so that that person also can get small thing, and then that person too can sell to somebody. I think you understand this point. You new member, maybe you buy $300. This $300, you think that you cannot sell. You can sell. You can also sell to somebody, because you are also going to talk to somebody, and you can also get, if you sell to somebody, you also get more money from it. So if you are a new member, there is a portion for you, so that you can also sell your coin. Through that, it will circulate. So anytime you sleep, you wake up, TBC all the way. Thank you.